Yes, consider this program. We're asked to write a Python program in order to create a vehicle class. Okay. So, and the class should have max speed and mileage as instance attributes. Okay. So later we can create an object for this vehicle class and initialize and display them. Anyway, we'll start working on this. So what is the name of the class they have asked to create? Vehicle is the name of the class, right? So we can write class vehicle. Okay. So we'll define init method. Okay. So self, and what are the attributes that they want us to define? One is max speed. Okay. I'll use the same attribute, and the other one is mileage. Okay. So this is the init method. Okay. Now let us initialize whatever values that are passed here. Okay. So self dot max speed, self dot max speed is equal to max speed. Okay. Now similarly, I'll initialize this mileage is equal to mileage. Okay. So this is the vehicle class. Now let us define a sample object for the vehicle class. Okay. Suppose I want to define a model X vehicle. Okay. So where I'll create object for this model X vehicle. Okay. And I'm initializing the maximum speed and mileage. Let us suppose maximum speed is 240 kilometers per hour. Okay. And this is 18. Mileage is 18. Okay. Now let's display each of this by writing like this. Maximum speed. Okay. We can write maximum speed is. Okay. So we have already initialized, right? So we can make use of this model X, which is the name of the object. Okay. Dot its corresponding max speed. Okay. And similarly, we can print mileage. Okay. So print mileage is. Okay. So again, make use of this object model X dot its corresponding mileage. You can select this here. So let's display here. You can see maximum speed is 240 and mileage is 18. Whenever you change these values, let us suppose here I am modifying to 15 and here I am modifying to 200. Okay. So in this case, when you run, you will see the updated values. Okay, maximum speed is 200 and mileage is 15. Okay, just like this. So this is how we can actually write. Okay. Now, for example, if you consider writing the vehicle class without any variables and methods, so how do we write? Okay. So let me consider create a vehicle class without any variables. Okay, without any variables and methods. Clear? So let us create a vehicle class without any variables and methods. Very simple. You can write class vehicle. Okay, and you just need to make use of pass. Okay, so this will actually creates a vehicle class, but it doesn't have any variables and methods. Clear? So sometimes we need to make use of this concept where we create a class and we don't initialize any variables and methods. In such cases, this notation will be very helpful. Okay, that is writing pass inside vehicle class or any other class. Okay, just like this.